Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will help you play Mann Mera on guitar using an easy method. First, place a capo on the 3rd fret of your guitar. This simple tool makes complex chords much easier to play. You will primarily use 4 open chords: a minor, E minor, F major, and E major. These are fundamental shapes that many beginners find comfortable, allowing you to quickly grasp the song's harmony. Next, let's learn a simple strumming pattern that works perfectly for Mann Mera. Try the down up down up down up down down up pattern. Begin by practicing this rhythm very slowly, ensuring each strum is clear and even. Concentrate on maintaining a consistent, fluid motion with your strumming hand. This foundational pattern will help you keep time and give the song its characteristic feel. Now, let's put the chords and strumming together. The primary chord progression for Mann Mera is a minor, followed by E minor, then F major, and finally E major. Practice changing between these 4 chords smoothly, aiming for minimal pauses. This sequence repeats throughout the song's verses and chorus, so mastering these transitions is absolutely key to playing the entire piece. To truly bring Mann Mera to life, pay close attention to the song's rhythm and dynamics. Listen to the original track to internalize its unique timing and emotional feel. Don't be afraid to experiment with your strumming intensity to add expression. Most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning and expressing yourself through this beautiful music. Keep practicing, and you'll sound great.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.